Here I'm using 4.5 mm hook and acrylic woolen fiber thread. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, I'm going to make a slip knot, and I'm going to put few foundation chain stitches.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Okay, I put few foundation chain stitches, you can see. The next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 5 more foundation chain stitches. You can put foundation chain stitches according to the width or length you want for your project, but extra 5 foundation chains you have to put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I did few foundation chain stitches initially, and I extended with 5 more foundation chain stitches. So let's start doing double crochet stitches 2 rows at the same time. So what you have to do is you have to take yarn and you have to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and you have to insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. So yarn over and insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. Okay, and again yarn over and should not pull through. Again you have to skip 2 chain stitches and you have to insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. So skip 2, 1, 2, and you have to insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. So yarn over and insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch. Okay, now you have 5 loops in your hook. Okay, and now what you have to do is you have to take yarn and pull through this chain. Okay, so now you have 5 loops in your hook. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to take yarn and pull through only 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So this is how we make double crochet stitches 2 rows at the same time. We'll continue doing. So yarn over, and here a little bit tricky, you can see 2 stitches like a loop. So this is a slanted stitch, we don't want it. So what you have to do is you have to take yarn and insert the hook into this edge one. So insert the hook into this one, not the slanted stitch. You have to insert the hook into this stitch. Okay, and now what you have to do is you have to take yarn and insert the hook into the very next chain stitch. Okay, here. So yarn over, and you should not pull through, Instead of that, what you have to do is you have to insert the hook into this chain stitch. Okay, now you have 5 loops in your hook. Okay, so now what you have to do, yarn over and pull through. Okay, again you have 5 loops in your hook. Now what you have to do is yarn over, pull through 2 loops along. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Good practice. This is simple but a little bit tricky, so you have to practice after watching this video. We'll continue doing yarn over. I told you earlier we have slanted stitch and the edge stitch. You have to take yarn and have to insert the hook into the edge stitch, and yarn over and insert the hook into the very next chain stitch. Okay, now you have 5 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through this chain. Okay, again you have 5 loops in your hook. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So let's finish this row with the same steps.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
We'll move on to the next row. So you have to put 5 foundation chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Please hold this 3rd chain stitch and put 2 more, 4th and 5th. And now what you have to do is you have to take yarn and insert the hook into this 3rd chain stitch. Okay, you have to put 5 foundation chains in total and have to take yarn and have to insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch and have to turn your work. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to take yarn and have to insert the hook into the same stitch. You should not skip any stitches. You have to insert the hook into the same stitch. Okay, so take yarn and insert the hook into the same stitch, and you have to take yarn again and pull through. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Okay, so yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so 1, this is the first row of double crochet stitch, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. And we'll continue. So take yarn and insert the hook into this stitch, okay, not the slanted stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the very next stitch. Okay, should not skip any stitches here. Also should insert the hook into the very next stitch and yarn over and pull through. Now you have 5 loops in your hook. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you have to continue like this across the end of this row, and you have to put 5 chains, and you have to take yarn and you have to insert the hook into the 3rd chain, and you have to turn your work and you have to start doing another row. Hope you all learned how to do double crochet stitches 2 rows at the same time. Please do practice after watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and there will be a small bell icon too. Please press that bell icon too, then only you will be getting notification when I am uploading new videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.